So, hey guys, today's question is, if a bullet is fired from a gun with velocity 150 meter per second in time 0.01 second, find acceleration of the bullet and length of the barrel considering acceleration is uniform. So in this example we have a gun which must be like this, and for every gun there are three parts mainly, which are trigger, which is used to fire a gun and fire a bullet, and this is called as handle, which is used to hold the gun, and this is the barrel, which is used to fire a gun, fire a bullet. So in this example, gun there is a bullet which is placed at this place, and an explosion happens here. When someone pulls the trigger, when trigger is pulled, there is an explosion, and this explosion moves the bullet from zero velocity to the final velocity. So as we know, before pulling the trigger, velocity of bullet is 0. So from that we can write as u, the initial velocity of the bullet, as 0 meter per second, and final velocity, which is the velocity after bullet is fired, is given as 150 meter per second, and the time period for this to happen is 0.01 second, and we have to find acceleration of the bullet and length of the barrel. So to find this we need equations of motion, which are three, named just as v is equal to u plus at. Second equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So we have to solve this question by using these values, as we have initial velocity, final velocity and time period, and we have to find acceleration. So we will use first formula, which contains final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration and time, these four quantities. So we are using that formula, v is equal to u plus at, or we can write it as at is equal to v minus u, or a is equal to v minus u upon t. In this, value of v is 150, value of u is 0, and value of t is 0.01. We can write as 150 upon 0.01. For this we will multiply by 10, multiply by 100 and divide by 100 the value. So we will get 15000 meter per second square, and these double zeros are cancelled by the point, or we can write it 15 into 10 raised to 3 meter per second square. So we will copy this value as of acceleration. A is equal to 15 into 10 raised to 3 meter per second square. Now we have to find the value of length of the barrel, but as we know, in none of the equation contains length of something, but it contains displacement of the particle. So by using for that we use s, displacement of bullet. Here is particle is bullet, displacement of bullet, and as we know, bullet moves throughout the barrel, so displacement of the barrel is the length of the barrel, displacement of the bullet is length of the barrel, and for that we will use third equation. To find displacement we will use third equation, which is v square minus u square is equal to twice a s. We can rewrite it as s is equal to v square minus u square upon twice a. In this, value of v is 150 square minus value of u is 0, so that square upon 2 times acceleration, which is 15 into 10 raised to 3. We can write it as 150 into 150 upon 2 into 15 into 1000. 0 gets cancelled and 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15. So we can write as 15 upon 2 into 10 or 7.5 upon 10 or 0.75 meter, which is the displacement of the bullet or length of the barrel.